PIP Boss professional-grade task-specific gloves were developed with hands-on workers in mind, designed to provide a variety of options, all made from comfortable and durable materials that stand up to the hazards they face every day. The High Cut Risk series is ideal for construction, transportation, and maintenance and repair workers who handle sharp or highly abrasive parts. Available in 2 palm options, a high abrasion-resistant pigskin leather, or touchscreen compatible synthetic leather palm that provides grip in dry or oily applications that are combined with an ANSI 5 cut-resistant liner for maximum protection. The Ultimate Grip series has a synthetic leather palm with a non-slip silicone grip to deliver the best grip without any compromises to durability, making these gloves a great fit for automotive repair, construction, and manufacturing applications. The Rough and Tough series is constructed with a high abrasion-resistant pigskin leather palm with a reinforced index finger for unmatched durability, ideal for workers who handle abrasive materials or use heavy-duty power tools like general contractors or carpenters. The High Dexterity series is designed for workers who operate construction equipment. Its touchscreen compatible synthetic leather palm enhances grip in both dry and light oil applications while providing excellent dexterity and overall hand function. The Professional Grade Framer series is designed to help protect professional carpenters, roofers, and woodworkers by freeing up the thumb, index, and middle fingers to increase precision and tactile sensitivity. Get maximum comfort, unprecedented fit, and protection with PIP Boss professional-grade task-specific gloves. Do more to protect so you can perfect. Visit PIPUSA.com today to check out PIP's full line of high-performance gloves.